In today's video, we'll talk about why you need to check your bicentennial quarters before you spend them. Bicentennial quarters are very collectible. I know people that keep every single one they come across. I might hang on to a few, but the rest are going to get spent after I check them for errors and varieties. You probably won't see these in circulation very often, and you might think that they're rare, but in reality, there were over 1.6 billion bicentennial quarters minted, and most of them are worth exactly 25 cents. This bicentennial quarter sold at auction for almost $2,000, or at least it was supposed to be a bicentennial quarter. This is a silver quarter planchet. When this planchet passes through the press, the quarter design is imprinted into the metal. Blank planchets can be found in circulation. I found a few of them myself. They aren't worth that much money because they're not from 1976, and they're not silver clad like this one here. This planchet was graded Proof 63 and brought in $1,920 at auction. You can tell right away there's something wrong with this quarter. First, it's not the right color, and the quarter design doesn't fit on the planchet. This quarter looks like it's bronze, doesn't it? If you ever come across something as strange as this, you definitely want to weigh it and verify that the denomination matches the correct weight. This one doesn't. I'll give you a hint. Let's see if you can figure out what planchet this quarter was minted on. This planchet weighs in at 3 grams. A copper quarter that weighs almost 3.11 grams sounds like a penny planchet to me. That's exactly what happened to this one. This quarter error was minted in Denver and was graded Mint State 67 red-brown. It sold at auction for over $4,000. Some of my videos show coins you'll never find in circulation, and some of them show coins that could possibly be found in circulation. This quarter can and has been found in circulation. This is a Denver minted bicentennial quarter. It graded Mint State 66, and it's an error coin. This type of error is actually called a variety because the error occurred during the creation of the obverse die, and the design was minted on every single quarter that came between this die and the other one. When you're checking your bicentennial quarters, first look for the D mint mark. Then check the word Liberty at the top of the quarter. You can see doubling and split serifs on most of the letters. Here's the doubling on the I, and there's the split serif on the lower left side of the letter. And here's even more doubling and split serifs on the E, the R, and the T. If you find one of these, take it to a trusted coin dealer to verify that the doubling is authentic and not machine doubling. It's important to know the difference between those two. This quarter sold at auction in May of 2023 for $8,400. You won't find one of these in circulation. Somehow a washer found its way into the press and was turned into a quarter. This could have happened one of two ways. Let me know in the comments section below which one you think is more likely. Either the washer made it into the coin hopper accidentally and was pressed, or a mint worker was up to some mint mischief and intentionally fed the washer into the press. There are a few different ways this quarter could have made it out of the mint, but we won't talk about that here. This quarter error sold at auction for $9,600. Some coins sell for a lot of money just because they're in the best condition for the year they were minted in. This is one of those coins. This bicentennial quarter was minted in San Francisco on a silver-clad planchet. A lot of these silver quarters were minted, and a lot of them were destroyed by the mint and melted down because of the rising value of silver. This quarter survived the Great Melt. It was graded a Mint State 69, so close to being a perfect 70. According to PCGS, there have only been a total of 6 of these quarters that graded a 69, but no 70s. Out of the other 5, this one sold for the most, almost $20,000. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.